Oh my god, guys, yes, it's actually given me my free PSN gift card code, and I'm going to show you how you can get your own. It literally takes about 5 minutes and you can get a ton of different rewards, including, of course, these free PSN codes. So I spent hours this morning, guys, looking for a working method on how to get free PlayStation gift card codes, and I've actually managed to find a way, and that's why I'm creating this tutorial for you all. This works for everyone and it's super easy. There is a set of instructions and I'm going to talk you through it. So you need to use your mobile phone, and you'll see it's very important you have a mobile phone to hand, and I'll run through these steps and you'll see why you need to do this on your mobile. Open up the internet on your phone and go to this website. Make sure you type it exactly how I'm going to type it, guys, so follow along. www. Sorry, guys, I'm looking through the mobile screen. www.cell, so CELL, hero, HERO.XYZ. So pause the video if you need to. Make sure you type it exactly like this, guys, on your mobile phone to go to the correct website. Now, this is a rewards website, guys, where you can basically complete a couple of simple tasks, and it's going to allow you to claim a ton of different rewards, including a $100 free PlayStation gift card code. So you can see it says redeem your reward. Receive a reward by completing quick, easy, and fun tasks. How to receive your chosen reward. So follow these instructions. Click the button to see your tasks. Make sure you're on a mobile device, so that's why you need to use your mobile. Choose and complete 2 of the tasks. Make sure to follow the instructions for each carefully. And then you can go ahead and choose and claim your desired reward, which in this case is the PSN gift card. So click on this button and you're going to see this screen here where it says claim your reward, and we have to complete 2 of the tasks below to basically allow us to choose our PlayStation gift card. So these tasks range from basically downloading and playing some free games. So this one here, you can see there is instructions below each one. This one says download and play until level 3. This one says download and complete level 9. You may also see some surveys where you just have to complete 3 surveys by answering the questions. Just choose 2 tasks on this screen, guys, and fully complete them. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. I'll pause the video and then I'll come back. Okay, guys, so that took me about 5 to 10 minutes. I just basically chose 2 of the tasks on this page. I did the one at the top and then also this one at the bottom. Took about 10 minutes to just fully complete and follow the instructions for 2 of these. So now you've done that and fully completed both, you should now see a new tab. So this tab should pop up on your phone. If you don't see this tab, just make sure you do fully complete 2 tasks. Click on that and you're going to be seeing this page here, and you can scroll down and look for the PlayStation gift card codes. So this is a page full of free rewards. So this is your reward for completing those tasks. Now I'm going to click on this, scroll down, and you can see, guys, you can select a $100 gift card code for PlayStation. And that is what I've done, guys, and I've got mine. So all I have to do is basically redeem that on my PlayStation, and that's going to give me $100. So basically, guys, that is it. You need to go to sellhero.xyz. Make sure you go to the correct website and just follow the instructions. You don't have to get a PlayStation one. You can choose any reward you want. Enjoy, guys. I'll see you next time. Peace out.